Are you thinking about becoming a professional organizer, but not sure if you need to be certified? That's what I'm getting into in today's video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about working as a professional organizer. In this series, I'm going to be talking about the trade associations where I received training and certifications and my opinion on what you need and really don't need at different stages working in this industry. Whether you're a returning viewer or new to this channel, I'm here to share everything I know about making it in this unique industry. Today we're tackling a big question. Do you need certification to work as a professional organizer? The short answer is no. You don't need certification to work as a professional organizer. Consider some organizers like Marie Kondo, who started her career as a weekend hustle and later created her own certification program, or Matt Paxton, my cohort from TV's Hoarders, now with a new show on the Discovery Channel, neither of whom are certified professional organizers. Even the ladies from The Home Edit built and sold a successful brand do not mention official certifications in their bios. So if that's the case, why consider getting certified at all? Speaking as someone who has 2 certifications and several certificates in this field, I believe it depends on your specific focus within the organizing world. If your projects are mainly tidying kitchens and closets in well-maintained homes, your personal experience is probably enough. And keep in mind that gaining certifications like those offered by NAPO or through Marie Kondo require work experience. I know it seems like a chicken and egg problem, like do I get certified before I take paying jobs, or do I take clients while working towards certification? You absolutely want and may need work experience before getting certified if you choose to take that route. I want to share 3 programs that I've been involved with, and I'll put links to these websites in the description of this video. They are NAPO's CPO designation from the BCPO, the KonMari Certification Program, and ICD, which is the Institute for Challenging Disorganization. ICD and NAPO have a wealth of information that members have access to regardless of your certification level. And by the way, if you are in a certification from another organization, please let me know in the comments below and just let me know your thoughts and how it's going. Professional organizing is still a small and truly unique profession, and we can learn a lot by sharing and helping each other out. When you're thinking about joining a professional organizing association, here are a few critical things you should consider. First up, what are the annual fees? It's important to know that you'll be paying every year that you are a member of that association. Next, check if there is a certification program. If there is, you'll want to understand what it takes to get certified and keep that certification, including any cost involved. Also, don't forget about community support. It's super helpful to have access to both online and in-person communities for that extra support. Then think about courses and training, what's included in your basic membership and what might cost you extra. And speaking of ongoing commitments, are there any requirements for keeping your membership or certification, like recertification or continuing education? And finally, is there an online directory? It can be a big plus for your SEO and also connecting with other members, especially if you're looking to pass or receive referrals. I've been a member of NAPO since 2002, and they host free workshops and courses for their members all the time. I've been using Project to Payment for credit card processing, and they are hosting a free webinar for NAPO members on February 25th. If I had one complaint, actually 2 complaints, and I'll go a little deeper into NAPO's recertification process and how I screwed up and actually lost my certification for a short time and how I got it back. It's a long story, so I'm going to share it in another video. The second thing is that NAPO has so much education, and now with annual events and online courses, I find that when folks are starting in this business, they feel like they need to take tons of courses before they start taking paid clients, which I think is a big mistake. We are organizers, and I don't want to speak for everyone, but we tend to be perfectionistic and think that we need to know everything before taking a client. And well, I'm here to tell you that after working in this industry for 20 years, you will learn something new with every client. So it's really important to just start getting that work experience. Watching new organizers struggle with trying to learn all the things before setting up their business and earning money is why I created my own training program focused not on certification, but helping you land those first crucial clients and build the experience necessary if you decide to pursue certification later. In Selling Organization, you'll master the art of niche marketing, empowering you to confidently accept organizing jobs that leverage your existing skills. For instance, if you've previously worked as a nanny, you're already skilled in maintaining orderly kids areas from closets to playrooms. If your background is in bookkeeping, you'll find it natural to help clients organize their financial documents and systems. This approach ensures that you are not starting from scratch, but building on a foundation you already have. Another reason why I have a certification and took training, at 5, 10, 15 years into having a career is that even though I had enough clients, I really enjoyed lifetime learning. And I feel like any additional education I can get in this field is only going to help me with client challenges in the future. And if you're feeling like having those additional credentials on your resume, like a certification, is going to help your confidence and credibility, I say go for it. But take paying clients along the way so that you're building your resume, you're getting that experience, and of course, your business is paying for that additional certification program or training. As part of this video series, I'm going to go into more detail about 2 certifications that I have, the one through NAPO and also as a KonMari Certified Consultant, and other trade associations like ICD, POC, and the Senior Move Managers. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube will let you know when next week's video is up, and that's going to be a deep dive into NAPO. Please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.